We did a drawing for the holiday for free cleaning, and we had a customer won this year. And today we're out here to do a cleaning. They're having to do laundry multiple times to get their clothes dry, and we're just going to come out here to help out and clear up this lint and get the job done. One of the first things we do is just check out the dryer to make sure it's working properly. It should be heating, turning, and blowing out the air through the exhaust. Once I make sure that is working properly, I can check out the rest of the dryer vent system. We're just here in the customer's attic to take a look at the pipe work. You can see here this 4-inch steel duct here. This is for the dryer vent exhaust. What I'm looking for is making sure that the whole pipe is together, that there's nothing broken or detached, and checking to see if I could see if it has the proper vent on the roof. The vent on the roof looks like to be an attic vent. It should be something with a damper and be up to code. In this case it's not, but we can make recommendations to make that a lot more efficient and safer.
Now we're back down here in the laundry room. Jordan pulled out the dryer completely so we can get access to the transition hose, which is back behind the washer, so we can look at the pipe and see how dirty it is. Now Jordan is taking photos inside the dryer vent system. We actually use our personal work phone to take the photos in the dryer vent system with a camera attached to it, just so we get the best picture inside the vent.
We're just outside the customer's home taking a look at the vent on the roof. We could see that it's not up to code. It looks like to be an attic vent. It doesn't have any kind of opening, so that's going to cause issues for the customer, and we want to be able to make sure they have the right type of vent that's up to code, safe, and efficient.
As you can see, we do a very thorough inspection here at HomeSafe. And what the main issue they have going on is the roof vent is not up to code, and we can definitely fix that for them today. If you have any issues with your dryer vent system, whatever it is, we can come and fix it, so please book us today.